Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your HP printer saying it didn't recognize your ink cartridge? Well, you don't need to feel stressed about it, since it might be due to some dust or debris accumulated over contacts on the ink cartridges. In this video, I'll show you how to clean the contacts, but before that, you need a tissue or a lint-free cloth. For one-on-one support, call us at the numbers on the screen. If you're sticking with the video, let's dive in. Open the front cover of your printer. Wait a second for ink cartridges to slide into replacement position. Gently push the ink cartridges back to release them. Take out the ink cartridges without touching the contacts. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. For more such videos on the HP printer issues, tell us your issues in the comment. On the ink cartridges, you'll notice the electronic chip. Now, take the lint-free cloth and rub the electronic chip to remove and accumulate dust or debris. Once you've cleaned the electronic chip part, reinstall the ink cartridges.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.